Well, as you see, it's snowing. Can't really see what on this camera. So I'm gonna leave it here. Gonna go inside, get my phone, and record it on there too. We have two versions. BRB. Well, back. So yeah. I gotta free up a lot of space on phone actually before I can, but also after this there will be either after or before there will be a video involving an earthquake in Russia, maybe a few other places, so stay tuned. Just freeing up some space before I do a video, as if will allow me to do a longer one. So bear with me. It's a bit cringe at first, but yeah. I actually do expect some accumulation, not much. Mostly a dusting, but can't really see it well on the camera. But I'm sure I could see it well on the phone camera. Can't really see it that well on the phone camera either, so can't really let you know if it is snowing. Maybe with this UPS. Oh, UPS here. Okay. Yeah. I have to end video on camera.